Welcome back. Today we are looking at the OMTech Pro 80W CO2 Laser Engraver 40 by 24 Laser In is a reliable investment. When you bring the OMTech Pro 80W CO2 Laser Engraver 40 by 24 into a real production environment, it stops being just a machine on paper and becomes a daily workhorse under pressure. This review is written from a real-world stress test perspective, not lab conditions, not marketing claims, but continuous cutting, engraving, overheating challenges, and long-hour commercial use. Check the video description for the updated price link. In the category of fiber laser cutting machine USA 326 alternatives, this CO2 system stands out as a hybrid-level industrial engraver built for woodworkers, sign makers, acrylic fabricators, and small manufacturing shops that need stable performance without jumping into ultra-expensive fiber laser territory. Over the course of repeated stress testing running with sheets, acrylic panels, leather engraving batches, and repetitive production, jobsthe OMTech Pro 80W consistently proved that it is built for workload endurance rather than casual hobby use. The first thing noticed during stress testing is how quickly this machine transitions from idle to production-ready workflow. The CW5200 water chiller system immediately becomes critical when the machine is pushed into continuous cutting cycles. Without stable cooling, CO2 lasers degrade fast under load, but here, temperature stability remains surprisingly consistent. During a 6-hour uninterrupted engraving session on MDF with sheets, the machine maintains stable beam output with minimal power fluctuation. Even under repeated raster engraving passes, edge burning remained controlled, provided the settings were tuned correctly. This is where most entry-level engravers fail under stress. They overheat or lose precision. The OMTech Pro 80W, however, behaves more like a production tool than a desktop engraver. Unlike machines that look impressive on spec sheets but fail under continuous load, this OMTech Pro 80W CO2 laser focuses on stability, cooling, and cutting consistency. Here are the features that stood out during heavy use. 80W CO2 laser tube strong enough for deep cutting on wood, acrylic, leather, and coated metals. 40 by 24 work area large bed allows batch processing without repositioning materials. Up to 1,200 mms speed. High-speed engraving tested on repetitive logo batches. CW5200 water chiller maintains stable temperature during long production cycles. Autofocus system reduces manual calibration time when switching materials. 4-way pass system improves efficiency in complex engraving layouts. Commercial build frame reduces vibration during high-speed engraving. In a real workshop scenario, these features directly impact productivity. The autofocus alone saves significant setup time when switching between different thickness materials during batch production runs. This is where the OMTech Pro 80W either proves itself or fails. In stress testing, 3 scenarios were pushed hard. 1. Continuous wood cutting MDF plywood. The machine maintained consistent depth and clean edges for extended sessions. Minor charring occurred only when airflow was not optimized, which is expected in CO2 systems. Acrylic sign production edge clarity was excellent. Even after 100 repeated cuts, dimensional accuracy stayed consistent without noticeable drift. High-speed engraving jobs at maximum speed. Fine detail engraving remained readable and sharp. However, for ultra-detailed images, speed reduction improved clarity significantly. One important observation: this machine behaves like a related product guide style fitness level tool, meaning it needs proper setup discipline, not casual handling. Once tuned correctly, it performs like a professional production unit. Even under thermal stress, the CW5200 chiller prevented overheating shutdowns. This is crucial for businesses running continuous engraving batches. Q1. Can this machine run all day for production work? Yes, but only with proper cooling. CW5200 and airflow setup. It is designed for long operational cycles. Q2. Is it beginner-friendly? Not fully. Beginners can use it, but there is a learning curve for calibration, focus, and material settings. Q3. What materials can it handle best? Wood, acrylic, leather, rubber, and coated surfaces perform best. It is not ideal for bare metals. Q4. How does it Compare to fiber laser machines. Fiber lasers are better for metals. This CO2 system is superior for organic materials and signage production. Q5 doesn't require frequent maintenance. Yes. Mirror alignment, lens cleaning, and water system checks are necessary for long-term stability. Q6 is it suitable for business use? Absolutely. Many small workshops use this for sign making, custom engraving, and batch production work. Check the link in the description to get yours today.